Hey guys, welcome back again to another cooking video with Blackbeard. No traveling for us, obviously. We got the little puppy, which we still gotta wait till we can even board him, if we even go away anytime soon, but it probably won't be for a while. Our next trip is actually Virginia for 4th of July. Yeah, we're gonna be cooking in the kitchen. It's our 3-year anniversary of basically when we started dating. And you know, we've almost been married 2 years now. The little guy's wanting to go outside. But we're doing Nicole's version of beef bourguignon and some whipped carrots and potatoes in the oven. And we're just gonna do a little video and show you. It's such a delicious dish that we think you'll enjoy. Everything's gluten-free, soy-free, so let's get in. All right, so to the cooktop, we are just gonna cook these on a light simmer boil. Potatoes, and then they go in the oven. They're gonna be the potatoes with the rosemary roasted in the oven. We're just gonna boil the carrots here for the whipped mashed potatoes. We actually got this idea from a restaurant sketch in London and was completely blown away. And we're like, this has to be a staple for every time we cook. So mashed carrots, fantastic. And then Nicole will go over the steak, which has been marinating for almost 24 hours now.
Yep, so it's got red wine. Usually you would use just a table wine. We used a Bordeaux. Coconut aminos. It's a gluten-free, no soy sauce because I'm allergic to both. And oregano in it. I think I said olive oil. And yeah, those are the ingredients. And then when it's done, you mash up a bunch of butter with some of these green onions over here, and you put that on top of the steak.
Cool, perfect. So let's get into cooking. And we'll plate. We've got a delicious one that we bought in France when we were there on this last trip. And we're really excited to do it with this dinner. I think it'll be fantastic. All right, steaks are in the pan here. Got the potatoes, rosemary, a little olive oil, looking good. Let's just show you this real quick. Yep. Beautiful. All right. And then we've got the carrots here in the food processor. Gonna whip these babies up. Look at that. So 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And just get it so it's basically like mashed potatoes. What are we putting in there? Those caraway seeds?
Yep.
And you guys can add however many you want. Some people like it more stronger flavoring. We've got some chili powder here. Just blend it all up, and there you go. Looking good. All right, let's get finished cooking, and we'll plate and show you the final presentation. Oh, we have a visitor tonight on the channel. This is what we're drinking, the Châteauneuf de Pape, l'Oratoire. And look at that, the whipped carrots, the filet mignon with the basically beef bourguignon, burgundy wine sauce, a little butter on top, and the crispy potatoes. We are gonna dig in. Thank you so much for viewing. Make sure to hit that thumbs up and like the video. And hopefully you guys make this at home. It's a delicious dish. We have it all the time. And cheers.